Hey, if you want to scan QR codes on your Realme C67, first of all, you will have to open this notification panel and you have to find the QR code reader. If this actually is not available right here, you can just also take a look from here, but also you can click on these three buttons, tap on the edit tiles, and from here just be sure that it is not located, for example, right here. So if you want to add it, just click on the plus, and now it will be actually available right here. So now when you click on this QR code, there we go, you will open this code, and let's say that I'm going to scan the QR code of this box, and now I have to put this frame into this QR code. And now as you can see, it was automatically scanned, and now I can copy this text, open, or whatever I basically want to do. So as you can see, that's how it looks, and that's how easily you can actually scan the QR codes on the Realme C67 with the QR code reader. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.